My brothers and sisters, una good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Steve Mefe, State Immigrant Solution. In case if una never subscribe, abeg una just go hit the subscribe button. So na here be the place where we for dey give all the latest information wetin dey happen around us for here. So I say make I just come tell una say good news don still come again because of say another money don still shele because we don still dey come dey share the money. Now say me I come still let una come still know say if you know say you dey Bologna or Everon, the church wey dey Bologna come talk say they wan come share money to family wey dey in difficulties, wey get problem. So na im make am dey come talk this one. So wetin who be the family wey dey difficulties wey dem dey talk about? So na im be those people wey because of coronavirus or health issue dem no come fit pay their house rent, or dem no come fit feed again, or dem come get one problem, or dem come reduce their salary because of the money wey dem dey receive. If you dey in those conditions, because of say the way Jesus Christ take use 5 loaves of bread and 2 fishes come take feed the people around, na dem come use this Fondo di San Petronio. This Fondo di San Petronio, which is FSP, the Fondo di San Petronio wey dem bring come out, so you fit see am for website of this Bologna website. So the Archbishop, which is Archivescovo of this region, Emilia Romagna, wey dem dey call Matteo Zuppi, come talk say he bring this innovation make he still take assist people wey dem no fit get opportunity to receive any other benefit wey government first bring. So he don budget this money up to about 1 million, wey say want to help families wey dey into these difficulties. If you know say you be single, they say the official reach up to 400 euro. If you know say una be couple wey una marry legally, the official share 500 euro. If una get one pikin, they'll receive 600. Then if una get 2 pikin, they'll receive 700. And if una get 3 pikin, now it go be 800. And that one be the highest money wey they'll fit pay. And now you fit apply for this Fondo San Petronio wey they talk so. So first thing wey I want to do be say the support. They see they ask people if you want constantly contribute to support this project wey our Cardinal Zuppi come out for Bologna. If you want support, you go the website, the Chiesa for Bologna or San Pietro website, and there you will see the account number where you fit support. For those people wey want receive those money wey dey under difficulties, now I want talk about. So the first criteria be say either you lost work or your work reduced due to coronavirus, or you get any other problem. While the second criteria be say the person wey e dey among the family composition, which means the family union. So the money wey una will receive, e go be maybe 400 euro each of una. Maybe if una receive, your wife receive maybe 400, or the husband receive 400 or thereabout. So the money no reach to fit carry the whole family or expenses. So he say na una fit still apply. Then another thing again, if una know say the monthly income for March is less than 400 euro for one person in your members of your household, your monthly income for March first, e dey less than 400 euro. Say for each member of your household or family composition. So if it is no say dey less than 400 euro, if you still apply. Then the last thing wey the council talk say, for those people wey they know say they get resident or domicilio, whether they call hospitality, or people wey they know say they still get accommodation for Bologna wey they not get resident, they fit still apply. Then if you want apply, you must know the Catholic church wey dey close to your house, wey they control your house, because each Catholic church get the region or get the quarters wey they control. The one wey they control your quarter, you must know the name of the reverend father wey the pastor or wey the reverend that church, then you still know the name of the church wey still dey control your area. So if you know those one, you get account where they'll drop the money put, and you make sure say you get photocopy of your resident, which is carta identità. You see your scanner, you make sure say you still get Easy or booster paga. So the last booster paga, they still need them, make they still know the numbers of family and how much you receive for the month of March or April. So if you don't send the information, they will process am. If they accept your information, you receive those money wey I first talk. This Fondo di San Petronio, so now church wey dey Bologna, wey dem dey call the square where you for see the church. If you wan know, na dem dey call Piazza Maggiore. Na that church na just stay there gidigba. The San Petronio na very big saint wey hold Bologna gidigba. So every 4th of October na dem dey do the San Pietro Day. So if you know say you dey difficulties, you wan apply, this is the process wey you fit apply. Then you go to internet, fill all the form and send the form to them. Where you for see the form, now I go explain to you. So the website where you for see the form, you go to this Chiesa Caritas di Bologna. Then you see where they write modulo put. That modulo, when you click on in modulo, it go display the form out. Now then you fill your name where you dey ask, you fill the numbers of your families where you dey. At the end of the day, you make sure say you scan all your document like carta identità, which is your economical status. Then you can see add your last booster paga. But if you know dey work, tell them say you know dey work, write those things put. Then when you don't get the alert, una still let us know. I say my tell una say na this channel be First Aid Immigrant Solution. So we dey give all the information wey I talk, so we dey try to bring am to us as quick as possible, because wetin I talk so na yesterday dey sign am, and as at this morning don dey in operation now. So you fit go fill your form. So First Aid is the first advice we dey give to our people before any other people come hear the news. We will first give our advice. So don't forget, subscribe, and God bless you. Bye bye.